Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our ASW series of ratcheting speed wrenches. These are combination wrenches featuring an open-end speed wrench on one side and a ratcheting box wrench on the opposite side. The tools feature the following. The tools are made of chrome vanadium steel for maximum strength and durability. They also feature ratcheting box end on the opposite side that has 12 points of contact and features a 6-degree movement for each click, perfect for working in very tight locations. We have 3 wrenches in the series. The wrenches are the ASW-R12, which is a 1/2-inch box end and speed head. The ASW-R716, which has a 7/16 speed head and a 7/16 box end wrench. And the ASWS-716, which again has a 7/16 speed head wrench on one side and 7/16 box end wrench on the opposite side. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.